Hi, Michael McConkey here from Edible Landscaping. It's August the 14th, and we are looking at a new pear from Korea. And it's called Guam Chum. This is the second or third time it's fruited. It's still a young tree. We like this pear a lot. I wanted to let you guys see it. Comes right off in your hand when you move it up toward the horizontal. I've got a little knife here. Oh, crisp. Okay. See? Beautiful. And very sweet. Taste that, George. Good. Alright, I want to go on and we're going to go just look at a Shinko pear now. Yellow, and it's edible now, but I'm going to wait for about another week to pick it. So we're going to go look at Dasui Li, okay? Alright, goodbye. So this is Dasui Li. It is the sister of Shin Li, and it's also very fire blight. Almost ripe. In fact, we were just eating one, so I guess we could call them ripe. I guess the commercial growers would pick them at this time. Still a little green. I might want to pick them in a little yellow. Okay. So what we have here is a Shenandoah pear. This is a USDA introduction, and this is a European pear, different than the round Asian pears that we were just looking at. This one will be ripe a couple of weeks. It doesn't ripen on the tree. You pick it hard and you let it mellow in the kitchen. Thank you very much. And one more, just maybe the best for last. This is called Honey Sweet Pear. It is a self-fertile European type, and we love it very much here. This is a young tree, so this is really its first crop, and more to come. Thank you very much. And this is our latest Asian pear, Korean Giant. It produces like this just about every year. We always have a couple of bushels of Korean Giant pear. They're good winter keepers, they're very productive, and they get really huge if we thin them a bit. So, thank you. Action. Hi, this is a Mars grape. And Mars is a seedless grape, and it's just about the only grape that we sell that's seedless because it still holds its leaves. This is mid-August and it still has its leaves. As you can see, some of the leaves aren't looking so great, but the grapes are still getting photosynthesis. Now, because these this kind of disease goes on the grape bunches too, well, here's some newer leaves. They look a lot better. Because these go on the grape bunches too, we bag the bunches. Can you see my bagged bunch here? If I bring it up like this, see the bag? It's a sandwich bag. And if I take the sandwich bag off at this time, and voila! Is that cool? Is that just the greatest? And they're very sweet. So if you're going to grow a seedless grape, get a Mars grape. Don't get the other ones if you live down in the humid places like Virginia, Atlanta, whatever. Thank you. So what the bags do on the grapes, this is Niagara grape. You can see it's very healthy. This is called black rot on the grape. And there's tiny fruiting bodies that when it rains, the drops of rain hit and splash up the spores, and then the spores can land on your grapes. Well, if they land on the grapes, then you get mummyberry. You don't get any usable grapes. So that's why we bag them. And I wanted to show you maybe just one of the bags. I'll open her up. Come on, buddy. Actually, I think I'll just take the whole thing off. There we go. And voila, there's your grape. This is Niagara. Thank you. Okay, this is our latest plum. And it's about a week away from being yellow, and it's edible now, but I'm going to wait for about another week to pick it. And what else can I say about the tree? Well, it bears young.
Its partner, Daisoy.
And what? Oh, it took the place?
It has a partner, Daisoy.
Oh, it has a partner named Daisui.
Daisoy Lee.
Daisui Lee. Daisui Lee, or Daisy Lee.
Daisui Lee, yes.
Daisui Lee. So we're going to go look at Daisui Lee, okay?